Kimball, what's been some of your favorite memories of playing for the Lady Panthers?
Probably making it to sub-state last year for the first time in 20 years and just making lifelong friendships and having fun before the game.
What are you looking forward to tonight about senior night?
Probably just enjoying the last recognition that we get and all the announcements.
And what are you doing next year?
I'm going to attend Daytona Beach Christian University to play collegiate softball, and I'm going to study. Yeah, I'll be at the beach a lot, but I'm going to study education, and I'm going to be a teacher.
Let me talk you out of it. What age can you teach?
Elementary school.
God bless you. Sitting here with senior Reagan Helton. Reagan, senior night, what are you looking forward to about tonight?
Winning.
That's
That's
the
it.
best answer I've heard all day. What's it like for you playing for your dad?
It can be really fun sometimes getting to celebrate and stuff with him, but you know, he's a little harder on me than he is everybody else, but it's okay. It makes me better.
Okay. And what are some of your favorite memories of softball?
Definitely going to district tournament for the first time in 20 years, winning all those games, celebrating with everybody at the end of each game we won. It was just fun and had a great time. Good memories.
And what are you doing next year?
Probably going to play college ball.
Okay. Where at?
Don't know yet.
Okay. Yet to be determined. Anything else you want to say?
Nope. Oh, go Panthers!
Sitting here with senior Abriana Baker. Abriana, what are you looking forward to about senior night tonight?
I am looking forward to all the people that are going to be here and playing one of my last games with my favorite team ever.
Okay. And what are some of your favorite memories with your favorite team ever?
Some of my favorite memories gotta be when we went to sub-state. And we all just really connected last year, and diving catches. Once I learned how to make them, they were probably my favorite thing in the whole world.
And what are your plans for next year?
Hopefully go play college ball somewhere. I just haven't decided where yet.
Okay. All right. Anything else you want to say?
We got a game. Let's go.
All right. We're standing here with senior Emma Harness. Emma, senior night action here. What are you looking forward to about senior night tonight?
I'm looking forward to seeing all my family and my friends coming out to support me.
Okay. And what are some of your favorite memories of playing softball here at LCHS?
Definitely making friendships with all my teammates.
Okay. And what are you doing next year?
I plan on going to UTC and studying nursing.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
Go Panthers!
Atta girl. We're standing here with LC's own Lexi Varner, multi-sport athlete here. Lexi, it's senior night once again for you. First of all, what do you look forward to about senior night?
Hearing my quote, Fortnite Forever, on the loudspeaker.
Okay, let's see if I say that. What are some of your favorite memories of playing softball? It's the only year you played, right?
Well, I played in middle school.
Yeah.
But my favorite memory is probably singing the Brain Rot song with Kylie and going to Gulf Shores.
Okay, and what are your plans next year?
I'm attending Pellissippi State Community College, and I plan to get an RN license and inject people with Botox.
Okay, atta girl.
You know that, right?
Anything else you want to say?
Chalalela, chalala, cappuccino, assassino, okalela, okala.
Sitting there with senior Kylie Hansen. Kylie, what's been some of your favorite memories here playing softball for Lady Panthers?
Honestly, our pregame's pretty fun. We all just get riled up for a game that we probably have no business being on the field with the other team, like tonight. But honestly, just having fun and just doing whatever we do. And then hitting 3 home runs in one game.
Boom, when'd you do that?
Copper Basin a week and a half ago.
Okay. What do you look forward to most about senior night tonight?
Playing a new position.
Playing a new position?
Deep right field.
Deep right, okay. And what do you look forward to about, what are your plans next year?
I'm going to attend University of North Georgia in Dahlonega, be a student athlete. I'll be playing collegiate softball while studying kinesiology. Declare pre-med my freshman year and then go on to med school and be an anesthesiologist.
Boom. Anything you want to say?
Go Panthers!
Okay.